Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Coming into FOMC day, I ended up taking one trade. Ended up getting fucking stopped out just now for TP to hit, for my partial to hit. So, all good though. It happens. So, coming into this, again, I was bullish coming into FOMC due to the fact that we're at all-time highs and based off of what price was giving me. So, again, in price, what did we end up doing today? We tapped into this daily for value gap. Again, 2 p.m. essentially. We opened higher at first, but I feel like that's just not a good move because we are at all-time highs. I don't feel like we were bullish yet. So, I mean, I didn't feel like we were bearish yet. So, again, price ended up going lower, sweeping low, coming below the weekly opening price. ES ended up sweeping this low down here as well. We had a bullish SMT down here. Again, I did not take this 5-minute IFEG because I wanted to wait for confirmation on the lower time frame. Price ended up sweeping this low, and on ES, I want to see us sweep this intermediate term low as well. Once we would have swept that low, I told myself, okay, like I'm looking to take some longs now, right? The only thing, oh fuck, bro, I just realized why you just got manipulated. I'm a fucking bozo, bro. ES had this is the daily time frame on ES, so you can expect an extra manipulation. Well, an extra manipulation, like, but that's not something you can really predict. Whatever. So coming into this, I saw the daily time frame, and what did I want to see in price was sweep this low, and this is the daily. So since it's daily, I expected there to be an extra manipulation leg. We swept again. That was my manipulation leg, and I saw this 1 minute IFEG. I was like, perfect. That's my cue to get in. I entered longs right there. As you can see, we ended up pumping at first really fast, like almost 50 points, and I was like, oh, like I'm chilling. And then what did we see? 250 macro. I ended up getting stopped out, so I was like, all right, bet. I ended up losing this trade. Price ended up sweeping one more time, and then we formed another IFEG. And at this point, I didn't take this because I was told myself I only get one trade for the day. I don't want to force another trade. And price ended up doing exactly that. We ended up going up one more time. TP1 got smacked, and then we just we're most likely going to go to data highs again now. Again, overall, nothing I could really do about it. I ended up going long. I tested out my model. I ended up getting stopped out. I was going to go, I wanted to go long again, but I just feel like I wasn't mentally prepared for it already. I accepted this loss. I told myself I'm only going to risk 300 for FOMC. I don't want to do more damage than I need to. And again, that's literally the risk that I wanted to put on the table. I wasn't willing to risk more than that. If anything, I should have gone half risk, which would have been only one contract, which would have been right here, which would have just put me break even on the day, honestly. So yeah. With that being said, again, this is a trade recap. Again, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I ended up getting stopped out, and price ended up going into my direction. It's probably going to go and hit TP right now. Is there anything I can do about it? Am I upset? It sucks. Like, yeah, there's a side of me where, yeah, it fucking sucks. But there's another side where it's like, okay, like, there's nothing I could do about it. All I'm going to do is journal and move on. It happens. I'm going to take a loss at times. I'm going to get stop hunted. And there's nothing I could do. It hurts. It bothers me. I can sit here and complain all I want, but I know I'm not going to get anything out of it. As long as I follow my rule and I told myself, okay, how did I follow my rules as best as I possibly can? And the answer is yes, I did. So as long as I did that, that's all that matters, right? I did exactly what I said I was going to do. Nothing I could do after that. All right. So, yeah, with that being said, again, in these moments, we have to always remember and ask yourself that question, like, is my strategy profitable in the long term? And the answer is yes, right? So you can't let these little losses affect you. Again, they're so small, and these are short term. If you look at the long term point of view of things, like, it's such a small little pullback, right? I can easily come back from this. I've seen it. Again, the fact that like price is hitting my TP right now makes me happy, right? Because I followed my rules. Yes, I got fucking stopped out, and then it delivered. I learned from this. I'm like, okay, if price goes again, I can potentially accept that the fact that it can go up again one more time. We ended up manipulating one more time on ES as well. It happens. It's okay. I accept the risk. It is what it is. We move on. Okay, so as always, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.